When you look at the altar of sacrifice labor, these are the ways of man. They want the justice of punishment. But the ways of his Father is mercy. And he served them both. So man's justification for us to be saved is what? Man must accept Jesus as his what? Have we accepted that Jesus is our sacrificial lamb? Do we need to accept that we have crucified him so that I can release my wrath? Then I can realize that I am evil. And I can realize that he is good. Then when I crucified him, I accepted him, and I repented for my sin, I must be baptized. That's the furniture of labor. And then, when we are baptized, we must study the Word of God. The table to shewbread, because he is the bread of life. Man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word. And then we must pray. Praying without ceasing. It's simply meaning vital connection with God moment by moment. In Desire of Ages 3-4, the only defense that we have against evil is the indwelling of Christ in the heart through faith in his righteousness. Unless we have a vital connection with God through the surrendering of ourselves, moment by moment, enemy will overcome us. After that, we must also be witnesses. Let your light shine upon men that they may see what? So your good works is a light upon men. The seventh candlestick. We must also lead others to the throne of God. We must also lead others to Jesus. We must lead others to the Ten Commandments and to the mercy of God. That's the life of Jesus that we need to follow.